The Turkish defense industry has once again attracted global attention after unveiling the ANKA-3, a stealth-powered unmanned combat aircraft touted as one of the most advanced air platforms the country has ever developed. The ANKA-3's arrival marks a major step forward in Turkey's efforts to build a self-sufficient defense industry. Developed by the Turkish defense company, Turkish Aerospace Industries (TAI), the aircraft's futuristic design immediately caught the attention of military analysts. The ANKA-3's flying wing shape has drawn comparisons to various modern stealth aircraft, including the United States' latest generation bomber, the B-21 Raider. The use of stealth technology is a crucial factor in modern warfare. In an era of increasingly sophisticated air defense radar and missile systems, the ability to evade detection is a valuable strategic advantage. Turkey appears to understand this need and is striving to develop an air platform capable of operating deep within enemy territory. The ANKA-3 is not only designed for reconnaissance missions but also possesses significant strike capabilities. This aircraft can carry a variety of high-precision munitions developed by the Turkish defense industry, including air-to-surface missiles, laser-guided bombs, and long-range smart weapons. Unlike many combat drones that use turboprop engines, the ANKA-3 relies on a jet engine, which delivers significantly higher performance. This engine allows the aircraft to reach greater speeds and provides better responsiveness during combat missions. One of the ANKA-3's key advantages is its use of increasingly sophisticated artificial intelligence technology. This system allows the aircraft to perform various functions automatically, with minimal operator intervention. These autonomous capabilities include navigation, target identification, threat avoidance, and coordination with other combat platforms. In the concept of future warfare, combat drones like the ANKA-3 are expected to work alongside manned aircraft in an integrated combat network. This system allows for real-time data exchange, thereby increasing the effectiveness of military operations. Turkey has even demonstrated a concept of cooperation between the ANKA-3 and the fifth-generation fighter jets it is developing. This type of collaboration is a global trend in the development of modern air power. Technically, these two platforms fall into different categories. The B-21 Raider is a manned strategic bomber designed to carry large payloads on very long-range missions, including the ability to support national-level strategic operations. Meanwhile, the ANKA-3 is an unmanned combat aircraft focused more on tactical strike missions, reconnaissance, and high-risk operations without putting the pilot in danger. However, comparisons between the two arise due to their similar stealthy flying wing design and use of low observability technology. In certain contexts, the ANKA-3 can be a much more economical alternative to a strategic bomber. The operational costs of combat drones are generally lower, while the risk of losing the aircrew is also negated. Therefore, some analysts believe that while it won't replace the B-21 Raider, the ANKA-3 can present new challenges on the modern battlefield through a different approach. The emergence of the ANKA-3 also reflects the major transformation of Turkey's defense industry. Over the past 2 decades, the country has invested heavily to reduce reliance on foreign technology and build a self-sufficient national defense ecosystem. Various strategic programs have been launched, ranging from combat drones and warships to modern tanks and long-range missiles to new-generation fighter jets. The success of the ANKA-3 demonstrates Turkey's ability to develop complex technologies previously limited to a select few. This program also opens up significant export opportunities. In recent years, Turkish defense products have become increasingly sought after by various countries due to their combination of modern capabilities and competitive costs. If the ANKA-3 successfully enters mass production and demonstrates its performance as expected, it is likely to become one of Turkey's most sought-after defense products on the international market. With the launch of the ANKA-3, Turkey further strengthens its position in the global military technology race. This aircraft demonstrates how combat drone development is now moving to a new level, combining stealth technology, artificial intelligence, high speed, and precision strike capabilities in a single platform. The ANKA-3 is more than just a combat drone. It represents a vision for the future of Turkish air power. Its ability to carry out high-risk, unmanned missions provides a significant strategic advantage in various modern conflict scenarios. While it will still take time to fully demonstrate its potential in real-world operations, The ANKA-3 has already captured the attention of the international defense community with its futuristic design and cutting-edge technology. This aircraft symbolizes Turkey's ambition to stand alongside leading nations in military technology development. Will the ANKA-3 truly be a serious challenger to the world's most advanced stealth platforms? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the ANKA-3's emergence marks a new chapter in the Turkish aerospace and defense industry's journey into the next generation of technology. One of the most intriguing aspects of the ANKA-3 is its aerodynamic design, which prioritizes stealth. The ANKA-3 adopts a flying wing configuration designed to significantly reduce its radar signature. This design allows the aircraft to have a smaller radar profile, making it more difficult to detect by enemy air defense systems.